Good morning. Welcome to your 10 a.m. daily weather briefing. We have some mostly sunny skies across the area currently. Going to see a chance of some showers and thunderstorms as we move into the evening hours today. Some of those could be strong with some gusty winds. We will have a good amount of instability building in this afternoon, as well as a little bit of shear across the region. So could see some stronger storms possibly later this evening. That likelihood is most probable across the central Delmarva. Should see those storms weakening some as they move towards Wallops, but can't rule out a stronger storm. We'll move into our sounding from this morning. Freezing level at 15,000 feet. We have a westerly wind at the low levels at 27 knots, becoming more northwesterly between 3 and 12,000 feet, running anywhere from about 35 to 25 knots, and seeing our winds out more of a westerly direction from 16 to 25,000 feet, around 30 knots this morning. Taking a look at our current surface analysis, we have Tropical Storm Elsa that's currently racing across the New England coastline. Gave us some higher winds and some rainfall last night, seeing winds here at Wallops between about 45 and 55 miles an hour. Ocean City saw some winds around 60 miles an hour, and those were associated with a band of convective showers that moved through associated with Elsa. Just not seeing as high as winds in general across the area with the storm, other than that one convective band that did move through. We do have a cold front that's going to be moving through the area for this evening into the early overnight hours, and we'll have high pressure building in for tomorrow, giving us nice weather for our possible dynamo setup. So looking at our satellite imagery, we do have clearing skies across the region, seeing some subsidence behind Elsa, and seeing a weak area high pressure building, currently giving us mostly clear skies and mostly sunny skies. We'll see an uptick of cloudiness once we move into the afternoon, into the evening hours as that cold front approaches from the west. Taking a look at the current radar imagery, you can see some showers that are currently weakening across the Appalachian Mountains. We do have Tropical Storm Elsa racing across New England, giving areas such as Boston, Hartford some heavier rainfall this morning, and seeing some stronger winds in that area as well. So taking a look at the HRRR model for today, you can see we do have those clear skies through about mid-afternoon. Then we'll see those clouds starting to increase, especially towards the early evening hours, and we'll see a chance of thunderstorms by 1900 local or 7 p.m. and that'll run through about midnight with our best chances. And then after midnight, we'll have a slight chance of seeing a thunderstorm until about 2 local on Saturday morning. And then thereafter, we'll just see dry conditions, skies clearing across the region. And for Saturday, we'll see really nice conditions across the area, lower dew points, so that'll feel nice compared to the higher dew point area we've been seeing the last few days. Dew points will be in the lower 60s on Saturday afternoon. We'll see temperatures in the mid 80s. So a nice day across the region, not tracking any weather issues as of right now for the possible dynamo launch. As we get into our European model for the next few days, we'll have good conditions for Saturday, as I mentioned, and then Sunday. We'll have a weak boundary move through the region. It's going to increase our humidity levels for Sunday, give those areas in central and northern Delmarva the best chances of thunderstorms. Here at Wallops, seeing a slight chance of that occur. And move into Monday, we'll see that ridge of high pressure over the southwestern Atlantic, or that Bermuda high, really build in the region. That's going to give us a slight chance of some pop-up thunderstorms with just some diurnal daytime instability. But otherwise, going to see dry conditions most likely for Monday, just warm to hot and humid for Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, into Thursday. So a very similar pattern next week with that ridge of high pressure in control. Next best chance of rainfall may not come until the weekend with a cold front moving through. So taking a look at our current risk chart for today, we'll have a high around 88 degrees later on this afternoon. We'll see more westerly winds this morning, turning southwesterly this afternoon at 7 to 12 knots, and we'll see winds out of the south this evening, and turning back out of the northwest as that cold front moves through for the overnight hours. Our best chance of rainfall will come between 20 local at midnight tonight, and also our best chance of thunderstorms will come during that period as well. We'll have a slight chance of some patchy fog towards dawn tomorrow morning with the saturated soils and light winds. Could see some patchy fog, especially in the agricultural fields. As we move into our 24-hour terminal forecast, going to see a VFR conditions for today, and we'll see some lower ceilings and a 40% chance of thunderstorms with those rain showers or thunderstorms moving through. That'll be between 1900 and midnight, and then we'll see a 20% chance from midnight to 2 a.m. Tomorrow morning, we should see scattered deck of clouds in the mid-levels, as well as a little bit of cumulus clouds across the region, but overall, nice morning across the region. Tides are slightly above normal currently, and Saturday through Sunday. Saturday, partly cloudy, less humid, seasonable, high of 86. Saturday night, partly cloudy and more humid, a low of 72. And for Sunday, partly to mostly cloudy with a slight chance of a pop-up shower thunderstorm, especially during the afternoon hours. We'll see a high of 86 degrees. Green chart across the board for Saturday through Sunday. And the next 7 days, our best chance of rainfall will come this evening, and then we're going to see most likely dry conditions from Saturday through Thursday. Only very slight chances of pop-up showers and thunderstorms for Sunday and Monday. 15%. Slightly higher chance on Wednesday evening, as we'll have a weak boundary move through the region, but being 6 days out, just going to cap that at 20% currently. We'll see temperatures back into the upper 80s to lower 90s from Sunday through Thursday. Overnight lows in the mid-upper 70s. So more humid, warm, and hot conditions across the region. Really very typical for this time of year into the second week of July. Well, that's going to complete our 10 a.m. weather briefing. I hope everybody has a great weekend. We're back on Monday morning at 8:15 at 10 a.m.